Hi everyone, I hope you're having a great Saturday and enjoying some quieter times and you're all staying healthy and fit. So, today, ending my 5 day healthy cooking challenge, I actually wanted to share a different experience which I'm having. So, yesterday, I decided I'm going to try and do some fasting. I've never done that before. I have quite a strange relationship with food, I would say. I either overeat and then I obsess about the calories, or I undereat and still obsess about calories. So I used to do a lot of running, a lot of marathons and ultra marathons in the past, just trying to run away from something, I guess. And then at least I know that every night I went to bed, I would count the calories. I would be in deficit. And if I wouldn't be in deficit, and if I had an extra glass of wine or that piece of cake, my entire evening and the next day were ruined. So that went on for a very long time. It got better, a lot better. I've been doing some meditations and also just kind of realizing really what is important in life. Extra 5, 6 kgs on my personal sanity and happiness, and I know what the answer is. But so yesterday, it was actually the night before yesterday, I've decided I'm going to try this fasting. And initially, I wanted to do it for 48 hours, but it was like, running a marathon without doing half marathon before. I think that's the way I felt. And I thought I've been beating up my body for so many years. Maybe I should be a little bit kinder to it. Um, and another actually reason I wanted to do it is that to prove to myself that I am a lot more than just my body. Okay, that at any moment when I decide I can take control of my body, of my physical state, of my hunger, of the stomach cramps or the dizziness, and I can just control it with my mind because I know how powerful it is. And I was able to create some incredible things in my life and attract opportunities I thought I would never be able to, just by focusing my attention on something specific I wanted to have. So how hard can 24 hours without food can be, right? So now it's been 21 hour 35 minutes, not like I'm counting. And I actually thought it's going to be a lot worse. I even managed a workout this morning on the YouTube, did some weight training, like 40 minutes. I was completely drenched. Even though, many people said to me, don't train, don't exercise because you need your energy, just save your energy so that your body can use it to keep going. But I had such a beautiful meditation this morning that I felt energized and I was just full of life, that I thought I'll do it anyway. And to be honest, it hasn't been so bad. So far what I had was lots of water, and I had also, when I was pregnant with my son, something that really helped me to get through the days when I didn't sleep at all was warm water with a bit of honey and cinnamon. I've realized that honey is probably not completely the best for fasting because it's sugar, but I think a spoon of honey is okay for a newbie like me. So I had two of those and I had just black Americano. And now I'm actually going to go to the shop and I'm going to try and buy something nice to reward myself with. And by nice, I don't mean a big slice of cake. I don't even want it. To be honest, when I think about what I want to eat, I don't know. I do want to eat. I'm actually getting a little bit lightheaded, but I have no idea what I even want to eat. So I think the challenge is just not to be, not to be kind of following my nose and all the smells of fresh baked buns, although knowing now there's probably going to be nothing left apart maybe from some potatoes and 5-year-old carrots in the shop anyways. So yes, I must say I'm proud of myself. I know I still got 2 more hours to go, but I know I can do it. I can do it. I'm not going to give in to my hunger. And I think I'm going to try this again. If anyone else is up for a challenge, actually, it would be great now that I'm talking about it to get a group together, and few of us can do it, and then we can support each other, and maybe next time do it for 30 hours, just a little bit longer. Anyways, I've got to get to the shop now and buy some food, whatever I may find in there. It's like going treasure hunting nowadays. You never know what's in there. I wish you all a wonderful Saturday, and I hope to speak to you soon. Bye for now.